Hi everyone. So this is lecture 17 where we are going to learn about unordered list, order list and list. These are the tags used for creating list. Like in HTML, we have unordered list which is created by UL. Let me show you UL. This is our UL tag. It have opening as well as closing. Inside that, I'm going to use li tag. Li is stand for list. And here I'm going to write item 1 and copy the same line by Control C, paste in next Control V. So change this item 1 as item 2 and then this one is item 3. After saving this file, what I am going to see on our web page, it's showing like in a bulleted form, in a dot form, item 1, item 2, item 3. So basically, unordered list is used to create a bulleted list in this form. Now, what is the use of order list? Let me show you order list as well so that you can understand what is the difference in that. Order list stand for OL stand for order list. It also have opening and closing tag. Inside that also I'm going to use list. Li have opening and closing tag. And here what I'm going to do is that going to add the same thing, item 1 and going to copy this item 1, paste, and let me change this one as 2 and the next one is as 3 and then save this file. So here is our unordered list. Inside unordered list, we are taking some list item by li and then we have a order list, and inside order list also we are taking some list item. Now let me show you my web page so that you can understand what is the difference between unordered list and order list. Now you can see in unordered list we get it in a bulleted form, but in order list we get in a number form as a 1, 2, 3. So basically order list is used to create a numbered list. So how many lists you are going to create inside order list, you are getting number as 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Yeah. Now we have list. So inside you can see inside UL and OL tag, we are using list li. So what li is? So li stands for list item and it is used to define each item in a list, whether unordered or ordered. So in this way, we can use order list and unordered list. For example, if you have to give a sequence number to any item, any fruits name or anything you are taking, and if you want that it should be come in a number form, so for that purpose you can use OL, that is order list. Otherwise, if you want in a bulleted form, in a dot form, then you can go with UL, that is unordered list. This would create an unordered list with 3 items as item 1, item 2 and item 3. So these tags are fundamental for structuring content in a list format on a web page and providing a clear and organized way to present information. So this is all about unordered list, order list and list. So here I'm going to end this video lecture. We will meet in the next upcoming video lecture. Thank you.